Hi, I am from App Solution and Services. Today we are going to cover the multi-institute account information, the account panel, multi-institutional account panel information, as well as the school or college creation inside my multi-institute account. So this is an account panel of an multi-institute. We have to type the username and password and log in into it. This is a dashboard for multi-institute account panel. So firstly, I want to tell you about your profiles company. So you can go from here about your company. You can view the profile, the basic detail of your institute, the name, the organization, contact number, email ID, username, description, and number of licenses that your organization has. That number of licenses is nothing but this much number of institute you can add up into your multi-institute account panel. Plugins, these are the plugins which is assigned to your organization, which you can enable for your institutes. You can enable a few also, you can enable all of them also for any of your schools or colleges. Then these here are the domain from which the account panel has been accessed. By accessing this URL, you will getting the page where you have to enter username and password. This is the email setting. This email setting you have to do done from SMTP provider, and after filling all this detail, when you have to save it. Then SMS, these all setting will be done by app solution and services engineers. So now come on statistics. So this is the dashboard which we will get after logging into my multi-institute account panel. So here we can see that we can see all the below reports for today, for last week, for last 2 weeks, for last 3 months, for 6 months, and you can also customize your date from start date, then end date. So from which date you want the report, you can customize this too. You can see overall statistics too about academics, hostel, transport, and library. You can generate the reports. 12 courses, 714, and employee department, 17. These are the academics. So you can also have a hostel records, school name, hostel, then rooms available and occupied. You can also bookmark this page too. So now we move on statistics. You can manage it too, that what are the things you want to view on your dashboard. You can just untick it which you don't want to display on your dashboard. After that, you have to save that changes. So here there are total 10 nets which are showing admitted students, relieved students, then admitted employee and relieved employee, then the number of courses, then finance, that how much amount you have incomed and how much amount you have expensed. And these are report for today because it is showing here. Then you can see the fees collected and fees dues, applicant registrations, that how much registrations have been done and how much have been allotted. Then student attendance. You can also choose the desired date from here and you can view the student attendance. You can also view the employee attendance and again you can choose your desired date from here. One more thing you are viewing here, that more is written at every dashlet present over here. So this more is nothing but when we will click on this more, we'll just by part this report by institutions. Just take an example. If I have two institutions, there is one more box. This is City Group of Colleges, Chinhat. Now, just take an example. We also have at Hajratganj. Then there is one more box which is displaying City Group of Colleges, Hajratganj, fee collected and fee dues. And this is the overall. This is the overall fees of your institution. The collective one is displaying over here. And when you want this report by each institution, you can just click on more and you can have the reports as per institution. So this is all about the multi-institute account information. Now the second part of this video, that is the school or college creation inside your account panel of Shadow. You can add new schools by clicking over here. You can just give that name, school shine, and this school code is nothing but the starting of the domain that you want. You can just only type over here shine. You see, if I'll type here school shine, the domain will become from which the school will access this software will become schoolshine.cgc.shadowims.com. So as we typed only shine, it is showing us the URL shine.cgc.shadowims.com. Inherit email setting. If I'll click on this, this will automatically inherit the email setting which has been done in account panel. The multi-institute account panel email setting is directly inherited by this institute by just enabling it. We can also assign the plugins to this new school or college that we are creating. You can assign few also, and you can assign all also by just clicking over here, and then after that you have to click on save. As you are seeing, you can access this school at shine.cgc.shadowims.com. Now the new domain for accessing the shadow for that institution will be shine.cgc.shadowims.com, whose username is admin and password is admin123. You can also delete that school. You can have access that profile also. What is school name? Either the email setting has been inherited from the account panel or not. Either the SMS setting has been done for this institute, for this school or college or not, and owned by which group. then your domain. This is the domain URL from which the shadow software is going to access for that school, that new school. These are the number of plugins that has been assigned to this school. And you can also edit that plugin by just clicking over here. The email setting that has to be done by SMTP provider. And after providing these details, you can save it. SMS setting. These all setting is done by App Solution Services engineers. You don't have to bother about this. You can also get a gateway. This setting is also done by App Solution Services engineers. So this is all about the multi-institute account panel and about the school and college creation. Thank you.